Morning students, you all are welcome to this video subject session of maths, where today we are going to discuss one of the new topic on maths workbook, page number 100. So students, what does the topic says that see the flask and answer the following question. Students, in this figure we have been given two of the flask, which is the number A and next is number B. Now students, the flasks are used basically for storing the water or any other liquid. We can clearly see that this is a big and this one is a small. And if I'll tell how much water does it hold, so this is the water storage capacity up to 5 milliliter, 10, 15 and 20 milliliter. Because this is a big flask, it holds 20 milliliter of water. This is a smaller flask and it holds 5, 10 and 15 milliliter. Clear students? Now we have observed both the flask. This is a big, this is small. Whatever this is given is the water storage capacity of both the flask. It holds 15 milliliter. It holds 20 milliliter. Clear? Now let us answer the questions which are given here. Is the volume of water in the flasks are dash and dash. Volume means the flask. How much water does it contain? It contains 20 milliliter, so 20 ml is answer. It contains 15 milliliter. 15 milliliter is the answer. Simple students. Let's try next question. It says the volume of dash is larger than the volume of dash. Now these are simple questions. You can answer to the questions. Now what does it say? It says that the volume of which is larger. Of course A is larger than the volume of B. Minimum level of volume in both the flask is dash. Now we have been asked that minimum, how much quantity does it hold both the flask. Now this is holding 15, this is holding 15 too. This is not holding 20. Now minimum means the common number which is common in both of them. Now it is the 15 ml. So minimum capacity of water for the two flask is 15 ml. Capacity of dash is smaller than dash. Capacity of B is smaller than A. Clear students? The next question, fill in the blanks. These are the general fill in the blanks. Students will try to answer these questions. Our body will push up about dash liter of water. If I'll say our body will push 5 liters of water, it is too small quantity. A body can push 10 milliliters of water, 10 liters of water. Okay students, this one is a 10. If you are not observing, this is 10 liters of water. If 9 2 rupee coin, if I am having 9 2 rupee coin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Push up to 10 milliliter of water. Now students, if I'll say, this I am having one of the weight on one side. If I'll put the coins and on the other side if I'll put the water, so if I'll put all the 9 coins here, it can push how much milliliter of water? 10 milliliter of water. Then the volume of 54 rupees coin, 54 2 rupees coin. Now if I am putting here 9 coins, it can put 10 ml. If I will put 54 coins, how much does it push? Now very simple calculation will do students. This will go up, this will come down. Now 54 into this would be the multiplication and 9. Now no need to do any kind of the thing. Just cut both these numbers. These are multiples of 9. 9 6 are 9 1s are. Now 6 10s are 60 and ml will add. It means 54 2 rupees coin would carry 60 ml of water. Milliliter is unit of dash. Milliliter is unit of dash students. We always measure or will always put behind the milliliter in liquid only. Whatever it may be water, it may be any other solvent, it may be milk, etc. Whatever it may be liquid, will always use the unit ml. A television is about dash centimeter cubes. A television. Now a big television, if I'll say, so a television is a dash centimeter cube. If I'll say 50 centimeter cube, television is very big. It means television is like this. If I'll say this is the television, so this television is very big. All its sides are 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, and it's like a cube only. So it is a 50 centimeter cube approximately. A tea packet is about dash centimeter cube. Tea packet is very small like this. So students, tea packet is about 5 centimeter cube. A cube of 16 matchbox is about dash centimeter cube. A cube of 16 matchbox. Cube of 16 matchbox. It means this is a matchbox in which 16 matchsticks are kept. Now I'll say that if 16 matchsticks are kept here, this should be only about 4 to 5 centimeter of cube. Cricket ball is about dash grams. Cricket ball is about 100 grams. An apple is about dash grams. An apple is about 150 grams. Dear students, thank you for watching today's video. These 2 questions you have to do it in your workbook. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day to all.